company details. Online payment gateways. Add payment gateways below to allow your accounting account to accept payments online. This will help you to get paid faster, and payments will be automatically reconciled the next time you import your bank statement. Click on Add Payment Gateway button. Select which payment gateway you would like to add to Sage system. Enter payment gateway details. You can get email notification of payments by checking Send Email Notification of Payments checkbox. Click Save button for Add Payment Gateway. Click Save button.